Malaysia kan dan kumbang nak batai mana ni? Malaysia ke DC kot ngin pensenge ini ngin Malaysia. Te lada kumno shibet pi kum kinong sung bagi tray. Mi bedu pai bang ben. Sepentip yang ah. Tama kum lalom ta tu bahe ulawan nang tai. La batha ban pensenge. Mardor hi ban pensenge. Manginum ailat bikin Shule pen ibor kum ni nagaleng ko te mentang ila amnya pet nya prasam padon kam mali ementa Malaysia ke DC kala khot te phiru pisalet te na pludi ke salet ken hapan pen prab igani ke lasna ma.
On September 12, 2023, the MLA of Nongkrem, Ardent M Basaiawmoit, had inspected Ryngngi locality located at Shillong Peak after receiving reports of encroachment on public land by the Indian Air Force. On reaching the spot, the MLA of Nongkrem witnessed construction work taking place beyond the land belonging to the force, which he concluded is illegal. After being invited for a discussion by the concerned authorities within their premises, Ardent Basaiawmoit rejected the same and instead demanded for the officials to come out in the open to discuss the matter. It was later that officials of the Indian Air Force from 7th Mile Upper Shillong arrived on the spot, where they finally agreed to stop the construction in the area outside their jurisdiction.
I was told by the Deputy Commissioner that the meeting was completed tomorrow. It's supposed to be tomorrow. So I've already instructed the Deputy Commissioner, and the PhD also informed me they have requested, and the engineer himself he came here to ask, but he didn't listen, which is why I had to come by myself. Otherwise, I didn't want to come. I've got some other works also to do. Since it is within my constituency, I cannot do that. Kemudian bala pentip yang ada orang Basnong, ba Uniu Air Force ulati yang surak jangan peldi. Te nagaleng ka jangan ngala keren ya engineer beri pet yang ni surak. Alfo ni DC, ba nagaleng ka jong kiru haji Shakila le era ka jong kam te ndeng ada jing tep ba kata ka kam kanang ya. Te namar ka karang wala penpet ka mata ka singan wan te menele ante bene keren ba ban pensenge gene ka kam. Tinggal yo jing tep ro ba nagaleng ka DC engineer kilawan hi dale dia bani kendo ban patha bakim dei ban le ta kam bat la shai ka si la dangam bakla kila khot ka meeting bat ke so khot lang ru yo rang Basnong jogor ni Shillong kata ka dei ka bang ngate te kai ka bang itna te ya ki pa ba nong Shillong jong ka ni Shillong bat jong ka ni ka thani par ko ka long ka jingranti ma ka jingranti kani ka long ka badon kam bani ranti ya ki kam ki bang dei bani ranti la dang ranti hi kum ne kanam don kono ka jinge bat ngakor wanong ba pimpe ban so marway pitit yang amot kumbang along habang along MLA jopi kampaton ka jinge kabangan EAP kabapi kedok mau siang te namar kata katao kum MLA jopi ngandon rengkat hi ban nyelet menta bat ngabdan kamban batai latip hi ka jinglong ka janga kum MLA jopi kumdo bagilaya mi snong por bagia pensinge ya gani ka kam Kajisna surok ke Air Force berkali jibor. Te ngilade ban job itu kam tingam nget ba ngam arutien, ngamar banong ngam arutien ba ngin job ru wal ini jik persang ban penibor yang jong Air Force.